In this video right here, I'm going to show you the best and easiest way to stream from your brand new Xbox Series X and S to Twitch without the need of a capture card. I'm even going to show you the best settings that you can use so that way every stream you do will be perfect. Let's go. Hey, real quick, my name is Wild4Games, making sure you become bigger and better with your streaming and gaming needs. If this is your first time here and you need help with all of that, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below and tick that bell, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you. Also, if you want to learn all the ins and outs of everything related to streaming through your brand new Xbox Series X and S, I already did a video on that. I'm going to put it in the top of the card right here. I recommend checking that out before you continue this video because there's a lot of tips in that video that I'm not going to go over. Now, let me show you how to get on Twitch right away. If you haven't done so already, make sure you make an account on Twitch. Very easy to set up because you need somewhere to stream too. Once you've done this, open up your Xbox and go to the main screen to where you can go to the app section and download the Twitch app. Once you log into the Twitch app and you grant it access to your account, we can scroll our way over to the broadcast tab. Under the broadcast tab, you will see destination. Both destinations go to Twitch, but one allows you to use Lightstream, which allows you to have a lot more assets and elements on your stream. More about this in a later video because this is actually a really cool platform. At the moment, you want to select Twitch. Below that is camera position, which allows you to put your camera in any corner, or you can center it on any one of the walls in your frame of your monitor or screen. Underneath that is broadcast bar position. All you got to do is pick simply where you want it to be. If you're not sure what the broadcast bar is, it just tells you simple information like, is your camera and microphone active and how many people are currently watching your stream. The next three things you see below that are sliders dealing with audio. Microphone is your audio voice coming through your headset or microphone. Make sure you have this set above the next two audio options we're going to talk about. Next is party chat, which is all your friends that are included in your party who have shared their audio that is coming through. If you're starting out streaming, I actually recommend muting this so that way they don't overpower you and take away from your stream. Also, it's not going to add to a jumble of just random sounds going off when people want to just listen to you. Underneath that is the game audio. This is all the music and game volume assets and ambient sounds that'll be going on. Also, make sure that this is below your audio voice so that way you're not getting drowned out within the game and stream. One of the most important settings is your kilobit rate. Now, if you're not sure what kilobit rate is, a simplistic way of putting is the higher the number, the better resolution your stream will look, and also the better resolution you can pump out. So the higher the number, the better the quality you can push at 720 and 1080p. That's the easiest way of explaining it. No need to dive into it. If you're not sure what your capabilities are, you can go to the automatic button there, and there it'll run a test to see what your streaming kilobit rate can be. You can also test what your kilobit rate can be set at by going to your Xbox settings, going to general, work your way over to network settings, go to test network speed and statistics. When you let this run, it's going to let you know exactly what your Xbox is receiving for download speed and upload speed. So that way you know for certain what you can broadcast to Twitch via resolution at 720 or 1080, and also which kilobit rate your Xbox and broadcast can be set to. This is kind of a redundant step, but it's always good just to clarify to make sure that everything's in working order and you know what your internet and Xbox are capable of. Streaming resolution is next, and I only want you to be concerned with 720 and 1080. The reason is because these are now the standard for viewing experiences on Twitch. If you're brand new to streaming, I recommend start with 720 because it's going to be less tasking on your Xbox, your encoding process, and your internet, which gives you the opportunity to have smoother and better streams with a less chance for error. As you can move up to bigger streams, then you can go up to 1080p, but realize you're doubling the amount of resolution and you're doubling the amount of data, so make sure your internet can handle it. So basically, make sure you watch your broadcast to make sure it's not frame dropping or stuttering or anything like that, okay? Now that we got all the technical stuff out of the way, all you need to do is title your stream. Make sure you give it something catchy so that way it's going to pull in viewership. Please do not make it dull or nobody will come in. You don't have to worry about selecting a game or gaming category. The broadcasting app in Xbox will figure this out for you automatically. Now, before you hit the start streaming button, I really recommend, like it says in the top corner there, to download the Twitch app to your iOS or Android phone, so that way you can read and engage chat. Unless you're near a computer, then you can just pull up the website. A major flaw of the broadcasting app on Xbox is there's no way to have an on-screen overlay of chat without doing some workarounds, which we'll do in another video for you. So make sure you download the app so that way you can engage, because if you don't engage, you're not gonna grow. Now you can hit that start streaming button. Before you leave over to the game that you're going to be broadcasting, make sure in the bottom there it lets you know that you're live and it shows the counter. Because if you leave this page too quickly, it will not actually initiate the streaming process. Big problem I noticed for me. So hit that start stream button, wait for it to pop up that it lets you know that you're live, then you can go over to your game and start your stream. I know it seemed like there was a lot of information, but it's actually pretty intuitive once you figure everything out, and you'll be up and running in no time, which is what's nice about the Twitch broadcasting app. Now, in no way is it the best way to grow your stream or even stream without a capture card on your Xbox Series S and X. You can use Lightstream, which I'm going to show you how to use that to the best of its abilities in an upcoming video. So if you haven't had a chance, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. But until then, I'm going to put a couple of videos here over to the side that are going to help you become bigger and better on Twitch. Really recommend checking them out. But until next time, everyone, take care, happy streaming, and of course, peace.